Hey guys, welcome back as we're going through our supplies from our Heist Detective Supply Box. So today we're going to be making a disguise kit. So we have a bunch of chenille stems, pipe cleaners if you must call them, here wrapped up for you guys. So there's a bunch of different colors. So you just kind of have to be creative and decide what you want to make. What kind of disguise you're going to make with your chenille stems. So you can make a crown, you can make a glasses and a mustache, you can make a beard, you can do hair, you can make a mohawk. Just be as creative as you feel led. But I think I'm going to do a glasses and mustache today. So I grabbed some scissors. Not totally necessary depending on what craft or what disguise you want to make, but today I'm going to use scissors. I think I'm going to make myself some red glasses and a black mustache. Just going to cut my chenille stem in half. You guys can add stickers to these, beads, foil. Really want your creative sides to show during this activity. And I'm just twisting it around to make little circles for my eyeglasses. Alright, there we go. I have two little glasses hoops. And just twist them to secure. Just be careful, chenille stems have some sharp edges. So be careful when you're twisting. And then I'm just gonna use my white as my things that go over your ear. And maybe orange for the middle of my glasses. So just cut off a little bit. Twist around here to secure the glasses together. But you guys can also do like necklaces and bracelets, which is really fun if you have any extra, and it could be part of your disguise. After all, Veronica had a lot of necklaces. She even had a big ring. So, just some ideas. A bow tie would be fun too. Alright, here's my glasses. And then I'm going to connect my mustache to them. So I'm just going to loop my black around the brim of my glasses one time. And then I think I'm going to do a curlicue mustache, because that's always fun. And it looks suspicious. Maybe you don't want a suspicious disguise. Maybe you want to blend in. Mine's just gonna be for fun. So I'm kind of shaping out my mustache. And adding some nice curlicues to it. Take off my regular glasses. Maybe one more twist to twist it together around the nose, the brim of my glasses. My mustache needs to be a little bit lower. Ears. Oh yeah, I look disguised, don't I? I hope you guys have so much fun making all your disguises, and I'm looking forward to all of your photo submissions. You guys have a great day.